Hi everybody. This is a quick video just to show you how to join the peer review activity for the midterm. The first thing you're going to do is log into my UDC, and remember it's my.udc.edu. So it's my period UDC period edu. You want to make sure to put those periods in, otherwise you're going to have like a longer, more complicated process to log on to Blackboard and everything else. So I just want to make sure that that's clear. Next, you're going to click on Blackboard. And I'm not going to do that with you because I have to do an extra step that you guys don't have to do, but you're going to click on Blackboard. Once in Blackboard, you're going to click on our class. And once you land in our class, of course, you're going to start on announcements. After that, you're going to go to assignments. And then in assignments, you're going to look for pre-midterm peer review. And notice you'll see the registration number. And you're going to use that. And as you can see, it also says you must use your UDC email address. So please make sure to use your UDC email address and this code. If you did register before and you used a non-UDC email address, I have removed you. So please go ahead and re-register. If it gives you an error message, there is a way around that. So let's say you registered using a non-UDC email, that means just don't go through this link anymore if it keeps coming back to that, because I'm going to just not be able to grade it if you put it in that way. So please don't continue to work on it using your non-UDC email. Go ahead and from then, if you receive an error message because you used a non-UDC email, you're going to do it a different way. But normally you would just be able to register using, basically fill in everything it asks for, which is your UDC email and this code. If you did it the other way, you're going to go to the website, Peer, P-E-E-R, grade, like as in grading somebody, I.igloo.o as in Oscar. And that'll bring up the website for this tool. And you're going to click on Get Started. And you're going to say, I'm a student. And you're going to type in that code, which is 8SDE6V. You're going to hit Next. And you're going to do New User. And you're going to put your name, so your first and last name. And then you're going to do your email address, student first name dot last name at udc.edu. That's usually what it's going to be. And then you're going to make up your own password. Once you do that, you'll be good to go and logged in. And I'll show you what it looks like once you're in the system from a student perspective. As a student, you're going to see a page that says Submit. It's going to give you whatever activities are available, the assignments, and it'll tell you when they're coming due. And you hit Submit. And then you can read the instructions. And then you can either put a file right here. So you can click, and then you click this button that says Upload File. And then you find whatever document you have and you put it there. So the same way you would upload a document to an email, you do it the same way here. And then afterwards you hit Submit. And let's say you wrote a whole paper together in one piece. What you could do to simplify it for the peer review, just to make sure it's clear for your peers, you can go into it and just say, this is my introduction, and just kind of label the sections for your classmates, and then upload the same document to the submission for the introduction with body, paragraphs, and conclusion, which is part 2, as you would do for part 1, which is the intro and thesis and conclusion. So you just would label it, but pretty much it's the same process. Or you can even just type it in or copy and paste it right into the text box. Either one of these is a fine way to do it. If you prefer working with Google Docs, you can also just submit a Google Docs link. So let me show you that way as well. So all you would do is, I would say, I don't want to do this attachment. I'd say Google Drive, click on that. And then you can click on Open Google Drive and navigate from there. But pretty much there are a few ways you can do it, and it's any one of these is acceptable. Basically the key is once you're registered, and if you did it with your UDC email, you would just click right from this button and go in there and do exactly what I did here, which is just attach the document like you would to any other submission on Blackboard or any other submission to an email. So that is how you complete the first part of the peer review. After that, once everybody's got their stuff turned in and the deadline is hit, starting tomorrow at like midnight basically, so really early in the morning. Obviously, I don't expect necessarily for you guys to jump on it immediately, but the point is, it will be an option to start working on the peer review at that time. And um, once you start, and then you'll just do 2 different peer reviews, and then you'll be done. So thanks for watching. Have a good evening or morning. Bye.